Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we talk about all things related to real estate, property management, and rental investing. Today, we're going to dive into the topic of Section 8 rentals and housing. Section 8 is a federal program that provides rental assistance to low-income families, elderly people, and individuals with disabilities. The program is designed to help these individuals find affordable housing by subsidizing their rent payments. If you're a landlord, participating in the Section 8 program can be a great way to ensure a steady stream of income and help provide safe and affordable housing to those who need it most. Here are some things you need to know if you're considering renting to Section 8 tenants. First, you need to make sure your property meets the program's requirements. This means that your property must meet certain health and safety standards, and the rent you charge must be within the limits set by the program. You'll also need to be willing to accept the program's payment terms, which can be different from traditional rent payments. One of the benefits of renting to Section 8 tenants is that the program offers a guarantee of payment. This means that even if the tenant is unable to pay their portion of the rent, the program will make up the difference. Additionally, the program offers incentives to landlords who participate, such as a free listing service and the ability to market their property to a wider range of potential tenants. However, there are also some potential drawbacks to renting to Section 8 tenants. One concern is that the program's payment process can be slow and bureaucratic, which can cause delays in receiving your rent payments. Additionally, you may have less control over the tenant selection process, as the program may require you to accept certain applicants who meet their criteria. Some additional details to consider are: 1. Eligibility. To qualify for Section 8 housing assistance, tenants must meet certain income requirements, which vary by location. Typically, households earning less than 50% of the area median income are eligible. In addition, applicants must meet certain other criteria, such as being a U.S. citizen or having eligible immigration status. 2. Inspection process. Before a landlord can participate in the Section 8 program, their property must pass an inspection to ensure that it meets certain health and safety standards. The inspection process is typically conducted by a local public housing agency, which also administers the program in your area. 3. A payment process. The Section 8 program pays a portion of the tenant's rent directly to the landlord. The amount of the payment is based on the tenant's income and other factors, such as the size of their household and the local fair market rent. The tenant is responsible for paying the remaining portion of the rent to the landlord. 4. Lease agreement. When renting to a Section 8 tenant, you will need to sign a lease agreement with both the tenant and the PHA. The lease must comply with the program's requirements, and you may be required to make certain accommodations for tenants with disabilities. 5. A tenant selection. While landlords are generally allowed to screen potential tenants, there are certain restrictions on the types of criteria that can be used when selecting Section 8 tenants. For example, you cannot discriminate against applicants based on their source of income or their status as a Section 8 voucher holder. 6. Benefits of participation. In addition to the guarantee of payment and the marketing and listing services provided by the program, there are other potential benefits to renting to Section 8 tenants. For example, some states offer tax incentives or other financial benefits to landlords who participate in the program. 7. Challenges of participation. As mentioned earlier, the payment process can be slow and bureaucratic, and you may have less control over the tenant selection process. Additionally, there is a risk that your property may not pass the initial inspection or that it may fall out of compliance with the program's requirements over time. Overall, renting to Section 8 tenants can be a great way to help provide affordable housing to those in need while also benefiting as a landlord. However, it's important to carefully consider the requirements and potential challenges of participating in the program before making a decision. That's all for today's video on Section 8 rentals and housing. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on real estate and housing. Thanks for watching.